This is a video from 12th Physics, Unit 1, Electrostatic Physics. This video continue with the first lesson. First topic, torque, uniform electric field. What is torque in electric field? The measure of force that causes an object to rotate about an axis is known as a torque. A pair of electric charges with an equal magnitude but opposite charges separated by a distance is known as an electric dipole. What is torque used in everyday life? Torque is used in many aspects of our lives and play an important role in determining how much force and in which direction is required for carrying out a certain task. Whether you are using a range riding a bicycle, driving a car or any other things, there are many ways torque is making things happen around you. Now we have moved our syllabus. Torque uniform electric field. Let a dipole of moment vector P is placed in an uniform electric field E. The force and plus Q vector equal to plus QE vector. The force and minus Q equal to minus Q electric field of vector. Then the total force act and the dipole is 0. But these two forces constitute a couple and the dipole experience a torque which tend to rotate the dipole along the field. The total torque and the dipole about the point O. So torque tau is equal to OA vector cross minus QE vector plus OP vector cross QE vector. Here OA and OB is distance minus QE and plus QE is force. Torque is one of the force into perpendicular distance or force into any one of the perpendicular distance. Here cross vector represented an angle is sin theta. So torque is equal to OA QE sin theta plus OA QE sin theta. Here OA equal to OB. OA equal to small a. So torque is equal to 2Q AE sin theta. Here Q into 2A, what is this? This is dipole moment. So torque is equal to PE sin theta. Sin theta means cross vector. So the vector form of tau is equal to P vector cross E vector. Torque is maximum when theta equal to 90 degree because sin 90 equal to 1. Torque is 0 when theta equal to 0 because sin 0 is 0. If the electric field is not uniform, then there will be net force acting on the dipole in additional to the torque. This is very important annual questions. Next topic, electrostatic potential energy and potential. Electrostatic potential energy. The electric potential energy of 2-point charges is equal to the amount of work done to assemble the charges or work done is bringing a charge from infinite distance. That is U equal to W equal to QV. Here U equal to energy, W equal to work done, Q equal to charge, V equal to potential energy. Consider a positive charge Q kept fixed at the origin, which produced an electric field around it. A positive discharge Q is right from point R to point P against the repulsive force between Q and Q dash. This work done is stored as potential energy. Here Q and Q dash like charges, so repulsive force is presented. External force used to bring the discharge Q dash from R to B must be equal and opposite to the Coulomb force. External force vector equal to minus Coulomb force vector. Both are same force but opposite direction. The work done is W is integral of R to P external force vector dot dr vector. Dr is distance. Work done is independent of the path and it depends only on the initial and final position of the test charge. Potential energy is defined as the work done to bring a test charge Q from point R to P. UP minus UR equal to W, that is change of energy. The change of potential energy is equal to integral of external force dot distance dr. Lower limit or upper limit P. External force equal to Coulomb force equal to minus Q dash E. Equation number 5 is substitute in 4. So del U equal to integral of minus Q dash E dot dr, that is equal to Q dash integral of R P minus E vector dot dr vector. The potential energy difference per unit charge is given by del U divided by Q dash equal to Q dash integral of minus E vector dot dr vector divided by Q dash. Q dash to Q dash cancel, that is equal to integral of E vector dot dr vector. This equation is independent of Q dash. The quantity del U divided by Q dash equal to minus integral of E vector dot dr. This is called electric potential difference between P and R. It's denoted as Vp minus Vr equal to del V. This is equal to integral of minus E vector dot dr vector. Mathematically, this is written as Vp equal to minus integral of E vector dot dr vector. The potential energy at a point P is equal to the work done by an external force to bring a unit positive charge with constant velocity from infinity to the point P is the region of external electric field E. The unit of electric potential is joule per coulomb. The practical unit is volt, named after Alessandro Volta, 1945 to 1827. It's important 2 more questions. Next, electric potential due to a point charge. Consider a point charge plus Q at origin. P be a point at a distance r from origin. By definition, the electric field at P is V equal to integral of minus E vector dr vector equal to minus integral of E dot dr vector. The electric field due to positive point charge Q is E vector equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q divided by R square R cap. V equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught integral of Q divided by R square R cap dot dr. The infinitesimal displacement vector dr vector equal to dr r cap and using r cap dot r cap equal to 1. We have V equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught integral of Q divided by R square R cap dot dr R cap. R cap dot R cap equal to 1. So that is equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught integral of Q divided by R square dr. After the integration of V equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q minus 1 by R upper limit or lower limit infinite. Here integral and dr is cancel and integral of 1 by r square is equal to 1 by r minus. Minus into minus plus. So we get final answer V equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q divided by R. Hence, the electric potential due to a point charge Q at a distance R is V equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q divided by R. If the source charge Q is positive, potential greater than 0. If Q is negative, then potential is negative and equal to V equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q divided by R. It's very important annual 3-mark question. The electric potential at a point P due to a collection of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Qn is equal to sum of the electric potential due to individual charges. Mass move from higher gravitational potential energy to lower gravitational potential. Define potential difference, give its unit. The electric potential difference is defined as the work done by an external force to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point against the electric field. Its unit is volt, capital V. This portion homework: electric potential due to a point charge and torque experienced by an electric dipole in the uniform electric field. Thank you, student. Safe with your home. Take care.